Hi, today I'm going to show you how to make your Linux Mint look nice. So first of all, I am using the Linux Mint 18 xfce, which you can download from here. I'm using the 64-bit version. So first of all, open up your browser and download this script I made. Then make the script executable like this, and open up a terminal and run the script in the terminal. I'm now going to go over what the script does. So first of all, it adds repositories, which means that we can download the programs we are adding repositories for. Then it updates everything, so we can actually download the stuff from these repositories. And then we are going to install the icon theme, the window theme, Roboto fonts, the docbar X, which is our taskbar, and a Nautilus file browser, which is better than the default one in my opinion. Then we are going to install Git and download Phenomenos' docbar X theme called Splice, and we are going to copy it so we can actually use it. You might have to insert your password for the script to work. Next, let's go into the settings manager and go into appearance and choose the Adapta Nocta theme. If you choose the just Adapta theme, it will be the light version, but we want the dark one. In icons, choose the Numix Circle theme. The other Numix themes won't work probably. Now you can choose your font. I chose Roboto and 9 as the size. Next, go to your desktop settings and remove the desktop image so we get a solid color. Now, this is the color I am using. It should be the default one, but if you don't have it, just copy the color name from the screen right now. Next, let's enable removable devices. This will add any USB devices or DVDs or something to your desktop when connected, so you have easy access. Next, let's go into the window manager. From here, we will choose the Adapta Nocta theme for the window bar. You can also change the title font, alignment and button layout, but I'm just going to leave it as it is. Next, I'm going to edit the login window preferences thing to MD Modern, so the login window looks nicer than the default one. And I'm going to go into preferred applications and choose my preferred applications. The important thing to note here is if you are going to use Nautilus, make sure that you choose it. And in terminal, go into preferences, colors, and choose the color palette you like. I like dark pastels. If you don't like the transparent look, go into appearance and disable it, like so. Now go into Chrome. It should look nice, but if it doesn't, like in this case, go into settings and use the GTK Plus theme. Next we are going to edit the taskbar, so let's go into the items tab and here we are going to remove some stuff we don't need. I'm going to move the notification area just so it looks a bit better, and I'm going to remove the window buttons and the launchers. I'm also going to remove the show desktop button, but you don't need to do so. Then I'm going to edit the Whisker start menu so that it has an alternative icon. I'm going to use this one, but you can use anything you want. I just couldn't find anything better, so I'm using this one. Now that that is done, we are going to add the docbar X, which is going to show our windows, and we can pin applications with it. Now you can close this panel window after moving to docbar X and open up the docbar X settings. Here, choose the splice theme that we installed before, that's made by the Phenomenos guy, and hit the refresh button, and now it works. Just open up all the applications you want to pin, and then just right click and pin every single application down there. And now that is done, as you can see, the applications are on the bottom. Now for the updates icon, I recommend you to right click on it, preferences, and only show a try icon when updates are available or in case of errors, so that it won't annoy you when there's nothing to update. The icon theme also replaces it, so it looks much better, or it might be the default one, it doesn't really matter. Anyways, it looks great. So as you can see, I'm currently installing all the updates, and after I've installed them, the icon disappears and won't come back until the next updates come. And I'm going to reboot just to show you. Here's the login screen. It's going to change the colors in the background. It looks quite nice. It's really fast if you got a SSD, even on slower laptops, because it runs on xfce. And that is it. If you like this tutorial, hit the like button. If you have any questions or ideas or something, put them in the comments. And do not subscribe, because my other videos are not in English. Bye.